On to record system audio, also known as internal sound on Windows 11. I'm here to help. I'm Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to record system audio, also known as internal sound on Windows 11. Now let's get started.
First, right-click the volume icon on the taskbar and select Sound Settings. Scroll down a little and click More Sound Settings. A new window will appear. Here in the Playback tab, make sure your speakers, for example Realtek Audio, are set as the default device. Once that's confirmed, go ahead and switch to the Recording tab. Now here's a small step many people miss. Right-click anywhere in the empty area and select Show Disabled Devices. You should now see an option called Stereo Mix. Right-click Stereo Mix and choose Enable. Then click Apply and OK to save the changes. Great, you're halfway there. Next, set your system volume to around 100%. This helps capture the audio clearly without losing any detail. Now open the Sound Recorder app in Windows 11. Inside the app, change the recording input to Stereo Mix. Once that's selected, click Record and start playing the audio you want to capture. As the sound plays, you'll notice the waveform moving on the screen. That's how you know the audio is being recorded properly. When you're done, simply stop the recording. If you want to clean things up a little, you can select any part of the audio and use the trim option to edit it. Your recording will be automatically saved to the output folder, so you can easily access it later. And that's it. This method works great for recording system sounds, music videos, or even streaming audio on Windows 11 without installing any extra software.